but I'm not sure.
60 kilograms, round 3. Nat C.
Round 3, yes, 60 kilograms round 3. Platinum
This is the third time this dude's wrestling. This is 55.
This is all round 3. Round 3,
Platinum, да.
Matt B. Round 3, Matt B. White screen.
Да, да. Israpilov. Enough interesting match to Dagestani wrestling. Nariman Israpilov in red. He is this year European champion. Enough young wrestler.
Red Serpilov, European champion.
Israpilov. This year European champion.
Sabina watch doesn't even love what he's trying.
Can you do this camera then? And then just set that on the white screen. And then, yeah. Awesome, thanks. You can move it.
Нет, 60 написано уже, они боролись.
Посмотрим, это интересуется другие категории. Я буду делать отчет.
What's up, dropping in shots doesn't even look like he's
He just sets him up too good.
Парнишка, который боролся. Руслан, который бросал. И они друг друга.
He knows, think he'll shoot, he's at 1-0 right now.
Сирена, боят Сирена. А с кем борется? Уже прошло.
We need to be down there, dude. We're gonna film every match.
There's a scandal here in the middle, man.
Oh. That was sweet. Stevie's
I like interesting guy. Yes? Maxim Malonov's people.
Yeah. Maxime's in his corner.
Sirena Bayan.
Where do you get those shoes, Joe?
Let's take a zoom. Oh, those aren't the ones. Those aren't mine.